than it has. Then so much more than the start. So yeah.
Off the top of your head, ano yung favorite scene mo that you did in senior high?
Senior high favorite scene? Wow. Siguro most remarkable. I have two. First is, I didn't really have much scenes there kasi that I had lines. It was really my first. But first would be a scene with Juan Carlos. Sa eksena ngayon, first time kong umiyak. That was my first ever crying scene. First ever na mahahaba yung linya. It was an exchange. And alam ni JK kung gaano ako kabado for that scene. And until now, I bring that up to everyone na I wouldn't have been able to do that without JK. He was running through the lines with me before that. Grabe, nanginginig ako. But then we pulled through, and I really, this award is also for JK. So yeah, next would be another scene was with Tommy Alejandrino, who was also nominated. Yes, he was in almost all the scenes with me. And up until High Street, the second season, he was there by my side bilang isang actor who started way back. He was the one that also introduced me to acting and helped me really. So the scene with him it was a confrontation scene that I didn't expect I could pull off also. Grabe din yung kaba ko doon, mga ilang beses. Hindi kami nag-run through ng lines, but I was running through the lines for how many times. Grabe yung pressure nun bilang, yun nga, as I mentioned, it's Hardy and I have Po Baby here. So yeah, it feels fulfilling to have this first award, and I really can't wait to just give more and do more.
Last question, what's the best thing about being an actress?
Best thing about being an actress? Siguro for me, it's really being able to express. It's somehow like therapy. Hindi siya, I don't really like applying my personal life to acting, but I feel like it's a release. It's such a release. It's such a great art form. Best part siguro is also the learning lives that you never lived. So the characters I've portrayed, some of like I've only portrayed two, but the other one in Bagman is another that's so far from my life. So yeah.
Okay.
So Jella, why you're getting emotional kanina? Parang talagang gusto nang tumulo ng luha pero pinigil mo.
Siguro kasi it was super unexpected talaga. As in, it's the last thing I expected tonight. Alam ko lang kung mag-host ako. And that's another thing I said yes to this because I want to grow as a host. So, medyo nakalimutan ko nga po ng very light na nominated ako kasi hindi ko po talaga ina-expect. So, naiyak ako because I remembered, first of all, Sir Deo and Renal. Kasi,
siya yung nag-push siya.
Siya po talaga. Actually, I was supposed to do another serye prior to senior high because of him, but he made that all possible. So, siya po talaga naalala ko, and of course, my family. Bilang yung pressure nga po, I pressure myself a lot. So, yeah, it's just fulfilling.
Ikaw na yata ang magtutuloy ng hindi tinarinig kay Arju mo because nasa politics siya. Tapos busy na yung ate mo for the family. Ikaw na yata yung next in line after them?
I'd like to think Ate Rhea will come back when she can. And also, Kuya Arjo, he's still acting. It's really his passion. And of course, public service is another. But kaya naman po niyang ipagsabay. I don't think ako po yung papalit. I think, if anything, this is me continuing their legacy.
Last na lang on me. Dream collaboration mo at dream role na gusto mong gawin?
Dream collaboration?
Sa acting
Acting. Okay, sige. In acting po, Ate Angelica Panganiban.
Wow. Bakit siya?
I've looked up to her ever since I was younger, and kahit bata po ako, pinapanood ko, mahilig po ako manood ng mga teleseries and movies from before. So yeah, I saw her as a young actress, and now, sobrang galing na galing po ako sa kanya. Of course, Ninang Juday, Judy Ann Santos, who I've already worked with. But of course, I always say this, si Kuya Arjo.
Okay.
Totoo. Di po ako nahihiyang sabihin, gusto ko pong matuto and makatrabaho si Kuya Arjo. Kaya, yeah, he's one of the people, he's one of my biggest inspirations. Kanina he messaged me saying he's proud of me. So, yeah, just through that, medyo naiyak na po ako doon.
Last na lang, ina-inang PBB ngayon. Sa kanila, sa mga PBB, sino yung gusto mong makakolaborate?
Sa mga, Sa mga PBB, well, tatlo na po yung nakatrabaho ko doon. Si Ralph De Leon po, AC Bonifacio, and Cyril Manabat, who I would love to work with. Again, naging barkada po kami, kaya I really don't mind working with them again. But siguro po, I'm trying to remember po, sorry, I'm trying to remember, Will, si Will.
As a GMA naman ka na.
Po,
Bakit
kasi,
siya?
I've seen some of his shows, I've seen some of his, some of his clips, and galing na galing din po talaga ako sa kanya. So yeah.
Thank you, Jella.
Thank you.
Congratulations.